Hello guys, CHRISEL here and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. So in this video, we are going to do SHEIN Summer Outfit Try-on Haul. This is my second video in my fashion playlist. That's why I'm really excited to start this video. So a month ago, I bought some summer clothes at SHEIN's officials and I kind of gained weight a few weeks ago, so I can't try it and make video about it. I just kind of waited to lose weight a little bit and now I think this is the right time to do it. So let's start. So let's open this one first. Alright. This is blue top. So I am going to try this later with the pants and let's see how it looks. And then we have another one here. Alright. It's a dress, summer dress. It is pretty and it's really soft. So we are going to try this too later. Then another one here. This is also top. This is very soft too. The yellow one. Like a jumpsuit. Alright, and the last one is dress. Oh no, it's a jumpsuit. Oh wow, it's red. So let's try this on. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items to try. 5 clothes to try. So here I am. So what I like with this dress is very light. It is very beautiful and it's very elegant. It's really summer vibe. It is really for summer. So hello, we are moving now to the next clothes. All right guys, I'm back. So this is the second jumpsuit that I bought. So it's pretty cool. So I also love it because look at this. Very light. It is very comfortable to wear. And it's super pretty. Look at this. So this is how it looks. It is a short. Very pretty. I really lost a lot of weight. Look at this belly here. Almost gone. Thank you, Timmy. I love Timmy. So what do you think about this one? I love this one too. So let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, so this is the fourth one, right? Yeah, no, this is the third one. Yeah, this is the third one. This is the third one that we are going to try. So this is a blue printed jumpsuit, or it's the same. It is very light, it's very comfortable. It is summer vibes. It is really for summer and it's sexy looking dress. I can't say anything wrong. I can't say anything bad. I just love it. I just love the cloth. It's pretty. Okay, let's move on to the fourth one. Alright guys, so this is the fourth one. Alright, we have one more. So this is only the top. I just wore my pants. In here. Thank you, Timmy, for helping my kangaroo pouch. It's really good product. I love it. And now we are going to move to the last one. So, let's do it. Alright guys, so this is the last one. It's just a top. It is very nice. Look at this. I just love the color. You can match it with pants, shorts, or skirt. You can do formal or just regular. Just match with jewelry. It's perfect. So that's it guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. I really did enjoy this video. I just love fashion. I just love beautiful clothes. I love makeup. I love beauty and fashion. You're gonna see this in my Instagram. I'm gonna post some pictures. Please follow me in my Instagram. If you want to support and help this channel to grow, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel and hit that bell notification to get notified for my new videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking this video. If you are new to this channel, welcome and thank you so much for visiting. I hope you did enjoy this video. I am uploading video every Monday and Friday. This channel is a little bit of everything from family vlog, cooking videos, travel, beauty and fashion, DIY, how-to videos, and mom's life. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me in this video, and I hope to see you you on my next video. Have a great day everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day. God bless you all. Bye.